organizer, wooden numbers, scissors, aluminum foil, Play-Doh, air-dry modeling clay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a ball out of aluminum foil. Count the numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Take a piece of modeling clay and wrap around the ball. Make a cabbage using small pieces of modeling clay. Pink cabbage, green cabbage, blue cabbage.